Hello Dreamvault. I'm going to make a quick showcase of the new app made by Adris. If you go to your phone and you open the App Store, you should be able to find the DV Garage app. If you download that, it should appear on your home screen in a second. If you cannot download it, you have to go to the Settings, General, Software Updates, and update your phone. Once you do that, you can go back to the App Store and you will be able to download it. Opening the app, you can search for your vehicle by name or a plate, for example Speedo or SR6. If your vehicle is already out, it will say that. You can press on the locate button and it will mark up your car. If your vehicle is already in a garage, locate will not do anything. You need to press on the garage name. Pressing that will mark the garage. If you're trying to track your vehicle and it says it's already out, and currently it's out so it won't do it, but if the vehicle has despawned and it says out, you need to recover it from your garage, so you can simply press the garage name here and it will track your garage in which the vehicle is parked at.